Namaste, I am Shweta Naidu from Mumbai. I have been regularly attending the Sahasranam Homa since its inception. In my personal journey with Sri Amma Bhagwan, I have witnessed many miracles, some of which I had not even prayed for. This, to me, is a clear sign of unfolding of divine grace. I consider these as beautiful gifts and perks from my divine parents, Sri Amma Bhagwan. Since childhood, my daughter Chaturika has had deep love for animals, be it a sparrow or even a small rat. She would always come to the rescue and often secretly bring them home, hiding them under beds or in the corners, as my husband was strictly against having pets for right reasons. Sahasranam Homa is the only Homa where we pray for Pashu Sampada. Although I did not continuously pray to have animals, however, I wanted that my daughter spend some time with them as it gave her immense joy. Last year, while playing downstairs, Chaturika rescued a rabbit that was being chased by a ferocious dog. She brought him home, saying that it was only for few days for its safety, but the rabbit ended up staying with us. Slowly, all of us grew deeply attached to him, our friends, guests, and even the house help. Chaturika named him Chintu. Usually, rabbits are timid. However, Chintu roams around freely as if our home is his natural habitat. We never felt like keeping him caged, so he moves around the house very comfortably. There have been several occasions when he has ran out the open door, but every time our prayers, he has returned very safely and back to us. He shares a special bond with me. Whenever I sit to eat, he somehow finds his way to me, jumps onto my lap, and insists that I share my food with him. With the other members, he does the same, but in a restricted manner. Not just that, since last year, because of Chaturika's love and knowing that she will very well take care of all her pets, her friend Aradhya left her pet dog with us for a couple of days. This dog is gentle, friendly, and brings even more joy into our home. In the infinite compassion and wisdom, Sri Amma Bhagwan have fulfilled my daughter's heartfelt desire and filled her life with joy. Earlier, I used to wonder how pets could be considered as sampada, but now, through this experience, I understand anything that brings you pure joy is your true wealth. Also, Sahasranam Homa has brought many breakthroughs in my life, especially in the Seva segment. Whenever it was working behind the scenes or on forefront, opportunities to serve have simply flowed. Even when I felt I lacked the capacity, the right people, right ideas, and right support would effortlessly come together. Many a times it becomes more of intuition and guidance from Amma Bhagwan on how to proceed. I truly believe that Seva is a blessing bestowed by Sri Amma Bhagwan. God qualifies the called. Jai Bolo Sahasranam Homa Vijay Pradata Sri Amma Bhagwan ki Jai. Jai Bolo Seva Bhagya Pradata Sri Amma Bhagwan ki Jai.